Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of the following topic is fix WhatsApp problem. So if you're having trouble in WhatsApp, you are not alone. This is more common than you might think, but don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we are going to try a few methods, starting from the simplest and working your way up. So stick with me till the end, and one of these is bound to work. So let's start with the quickest fix. First, you take your phone to the airplane mode, turn it on from your notification bar or control center, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This resets your network connection and can fix your temporary glitches. Once you have turned it off, go back to WhatsApp and try fixing your problem again. So you would be surprised how often the simple trick does the job. And if not this, then next, let's say if there is an update available for the WhatsApp app in your app store or your Play Store. For that, you just need to go to your app store. If you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and update your app to the latest version. So after going to the app store, you will need to search the app, that is WhatsApp. After searching the app, you can see here is the app. So if there is any kind of update available, then you need to simply click on the option update and update your app to the latest version. If not, then you can just skip this and go to the other options, that is your settings. Go to your settings. After visiting the settings, you need to scroll it a little up and go to the option general, and again go to the option iPhone storage, and there you find the WhatsApp app and just need to offload the app. Tap on the offload app, and again there will be the option like reinstall app. There you go. You tap on the reinstall app and your app will be reinstalled within a few seconds on your device, and after that you will be able to fix your problem that you are facing in WhatsApp. So in many cases, this is a final fix that solves the stubborn login problems, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back to your WhatsApp account, and if it did, let me know in the comment sections and give this video a thumbs up to help others. And hey, if you like the simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you.